In a little town filled with cheer, lived a young boy named Timmy, quite dear. One sunny morning, he woke with a smile, saying, "Today will be a clean day, for sure, style." He looked at his clothes, a bit rumpled and worn. His shoes were quite dirty, all scuffed and torn. He grabbed his laundry, and off to the stream he went to wash his clothes, in water gleaming. Timmy scrubbed and scrubbed, with great care and might. His clothes soon sparkled, shining bright. He washed his shoes, with soap and a scrub, until they looked brand new, as if just from a shop. With clothes clean and shoes shining, Timmy felt light. He danced and twirled, a sight to ignite. He sang a song, with a joyful cheer. A clean day is a happy day, my dear. He went back home, with clothes neat and new. He felt so good, he couldn't help but view. A clean day was not just about being neat. It was about feeling fresh, feeling sweet. Timmy's mom saw him, with a gleam in her eye. She said, "Timmy, my boy, you look quite high. You've learned a lesson, that's clear. Cleanliness is not just about appearance, but about inner cheer." Timmy smiled, and said, "You're right, Mom, I see. A clean day is about being free. I'll always remember this lesson I've learned. A clean day brings a joy that is consistently returned." So, Timmy learned that a clean day was more than just clothes looking fresh and a floor. It was about feeling good, inside and out. About taking care, and wearing a smile, no doubt. And every morning, he'd rise with a cheer, knowing that a clean day was here. A clean day was a day to be bright. A clean day was a day to take flight.